Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com and you are welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a complete free website and you can make money with that. So no more talk, let's go to screen and see how you can do that. So this is my browser and today I am going to use blogger.com. So blogger.com actually it's a product by Google. So that means you are making your website with Google. Okay. So you already know Google has a feature to make website. So it's very easy to make your blog site with that. So that's why I'm going to show you in this video. So just hit the button on create your blog, and then if you are totally new here, then you have to sign in with your Gmail. So here you can see I am signing with my Gmail, and just I need to follow the few steps, and yes, I am going to sign in and save. Yes, so now I am on the in, and here you can see it's are talking about title, and if you want you can skip that, but I want to keep the title. So that means title means what your website title will be. So I just want to make my portfolio website, or you can make a blog website. Okay, so let's make a blog website. So I just want to tell Nasim Reza blog. Okay, then next, an address. Here you can see you can make your website with blogspot.com, but in future you can easily buy one main domain and you can easily connect with this blogger website. Okay, so for now I just want to Nasim's blog. Okay, it's not available, so you have to find the unique one, right? So blog with Nasim, not important as well, and if you want you can make shorter Nasim 247 blog. This blog is available now. So for this video I just want to continue with that, because for you of course you will find the unique and professional looking email address, website address, but it's a big website, so when you don't want to like worry about that, because you can easily change this URL anytime. But in future when you pick the custom domain from a name provider, domain provider, then you have to you have to careful with that. So for now you don't need to worry about that. Just hit the next, and the display name Nasim Reza blog. Okay, and then finish. And with this setup, it's yes. So this is the dashboard of the backend of your website, and here you can see the few options that if I want to show you one by one, which is post, and then status, comments, and earnings, which is important for today, pages, layout, theme, settings, reading list. But for now we just want to see how our website look like. So if I hit the view blog on the bottom, here you can see this is actually our website is current looks. Okay, so easily you can pick. If you go to the theme, and you can see the free theme here, like most of them are free theme, you can choose anyone from them. So they are very basic theme actually, but if you want you can definitely use that. and if you want you can pick the professional looking theme, but you have to purchase or you have to collect the free theme from Google. For example, if I search on Google blogger templates, and then if I search, and then here you can see a new website. So there's all are blogger templates, so that means you can easily pick anyone from them and you can connect with your website. So actually this is the series video. I will show you how you can make a complete website and how you can make you can earn from their website. So today actually I just wanted to show you how you can make website and how it's actually basic, a very basic video. So for example, if you want you can pick any theme from here. For example, I just want to pick this one, and if I hit the apply, then it will automatically go live. So if I visit my blog, and here you can see our blog theme already sent. So this blog actually don't have any post right now, that's why we are not able to see the perfect look of this theme. Okay, so that's it guys, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a good day.